Yo, today I'm making a tutorial on Alight Motion, and this is my first Alight Motion tutorial. And I'll teach you how to cut your clips properly and how to use time remapping in your clips. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so don't worry if you're new. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll understand the basics clearly. Let's get started. First, create a new project and add your audio. Now add beats by clicking on the white line. After that, add your clip and cut it according to the beats. These three tools are important for cutting clips. This one cuts everything on the left side. This one cuts everything on the right side. And this one splits the clip into two parts. Make sure your next clip is not placed above the previous clip on the timeline. Now create another project and add your clip. For example, I'm placing a marker at 1 second. Go to Speed and set your speed by clicking this. Add two keyframes, one at the start and one at the end. Now add another keyframe between them and set it to 1. Now use graphs, just like I'm using here. Adjust the speed again if needed, and that's it. Your time remapping is done.